This Windermere Real Estate / Whatcom Incorporated property video is presented by Stauffer. Single-story home in ideal Bellingham location with covered patio and fully fenced yard. One owner home was built with special features that allowed comfortable living and easy maintenance. No wasted space, large bedrooms, wide hallway. Home has been well taken care of and allows for lots of natural light through the large windows. Level backyard with sunny exposure. Close to everything, and yet home has extra insulation to block out any city noise. Quite the find in this marketplace. For more information, review the details below.